Hello everyone. Today, we will continue to introduce you the process of application development on the YY3568 mainboard. But before that, let us briefly introduce you our mainboard. The YY3568 is a mainboard based on the RK3568 processor as its core. Featuring a brand new architecture, it has characteristics of low power consumption and high performance. The mainboard offers a wide range of interfaces and supports the connection of multiple sensor modules externally. Therefore, it is widely used in edge computing, smart home, intelligent automotive, and other scenarios. Let's go to the official wiki and open the page about using I on Debian. The hardware interface for I is located in the bottom right corner of the mainboard. The pins from left to right are, respectively, data, GND, and VD. There are silk screen marks on the mainboard. Here are the API functions and test code for the I module. For the convenient introduction, I copied them on vscode. Let's start introducing API functions. First, we have the opener function, which takes no parameters. If the opening is successful, it will return the file descriptor representing the IR device. This is the function for reading data from the I device. It allows us to retrieve the current key value and event information. Finally, we have the closer function that takes the file descriptor as a parameter to close the I device. Let's take a look at the example. There is only one API testing function. In the IAPI test function, first we begin by declaring and initializing several variables. Among them, ret is used to store the return value of the API call. F is used to store the file descriptor of the device. Code and value are used to store the key information read from the device. We call the user IOpen function to open the I device and assign the return file descriptor to the F variable. If the opening fails, the code will print an error message and return. Next, enter an infinite loop. Continuously call the user IRGet function to read data from the IR device. If the return value is 0, it indicates that data has been successfully read. We use the print function to print the value of the received key event. If the return value is not 0, it indicates a failure or error in reading the data. Delay 10 milliseconds. After the loop, we call the user IClose function to close the I device and release resources. Let's execute the code. This is the executable file obtained after compiling the code. Execute the program. On the left side is a table comparing key values and their corresponding numerical values. Press key 1. As you can see, the message, key to pressed, is displayed. By checking the key value table, it proves that the code has been written correctly. If it was helpful for you, then go ahead and put it into practice, based on the YY3568 wiki. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.